You checked the oil chart but skipped the news. A major report dropped and everything reversed. My tool checks the news automatically before you even see the chart. Ignoring the news backdrop is one of the most common mistakes in commodity analysis, and it's one of the easiest to fix. I'm Eric Cole. I work with commodities, oil, gold, silver. And my tool checks the news before anything else. If the green indicator is on, it means no major events are expected. Only then does my AI analytics tools scan over 10 indicators. News first, data second. Never the other way around. And the beautiful thing is, the system builds that habit for you. I've built a free 3-lesson mini course on how to build and use first approach to commodity markets. My community has everything you need, whether you're a beginner or a professional. And you get a free access to the AI analytics tool. If you are ready to put news first, come join the community. Link is right below the video. Trading involves risk. This is educational content, not financial advice.